Hello guys! Today I'm going to show you how to make my strawberries and graham mousse. So here are the ingredients to prepare in making this dessert. Chilled all-purpose cream, crushed graham, optional size of marshmallows, fresh or sweetened strawberries, fresh strawberries for toppings, and thin slices for glass presentation are sifted confectioner sugar and are powdered milk with strawberry flavor. You can also use red food color liquid if you want. First, let's start in whipping our cream. Let's put in our chilled cream into our bowl, and we're going to use electric beater to whip our chilled cream until we reach its soft peak consistency. We're always doing this procedure to achieve the airy texture and thick consistency of our dessert. Finally, here's the right consistency that we're waiting for. Let's set aside the half portion of our cream before we proceed on our next procedure. We're going to layer it in with our glass along with other ingredients. So by this time, we're going to put in our confectioner sugar gradually while whipping our cream. We have to be sure that there's no more lumps remain before we proceed to our next procedure. This dessert is so easy to prepare, and I know that you'll surely love. If you wish to achieve a mild strawberry color, you can add food coloring into our cream. But I want a lighter color, so I need less of it. This is an optional step if you don't want to. So now, I'm going to add the half portion of our crushed graham. So this time, we can also add our strawberry milk powder. Just continue whipping it until we notice that there's no more lumps already. I'm gonna add a little more food color, just a drop of it I think, as I desire a more pinkish color of our cream. So after this, we can already prepare it. We can spoon it or pipe it into the glass or arrange and layer it with your desired ingredients. You can slice your strawberries into thin slices, just what I did, using a sharp knife. The thinner the better because it will easily stick to the glass. However, if you only want to top your mousse with your strawberries, you can also make it. And it's done! It is best served when at least chilled it for just an hour. Hope you like it. Please like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell for more upcoming recipes.